Gazi? Sure. You can go faster, brother. Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. Cash, my man. What the fuck is going on here? There we go. That's cash, eh? Thanks, boss. You can keep the rest.
One eternity later.
Would ya look at that? It is pissing with rain. My butt is sopping wet already. Here we go. We're gonna get all tropical today. And I didn't really plan on having a vlog or talking at all today. What did you guys do? Did you bash into each other? No. And as predicted, fucking the roads are fucked. Oh man, so fucking wet. Camera lens has probably got some dots on it. Fuck it. I'm getting sopping wet, so I'm gonna go down here. Don't you tell the police, SA! I don't know how guys do this all the time. Some guys say they quite enjoy it. Oh man, it's fucking wet and I can't see shit. Keep getting hit in the face with fucking water. I'm letting you go, buddy. I'm gonna have a little tight squeeze. Oh shit, man. I can't see a fucking thing. No, it's one car at a fucking time, you dildo. Okay, we're gonna drive slow here because firstly it's fucking wet and I can't see shit. And I don't want to go through any deep puddles. My legs are so wet, it's dripping down into my socks. At least the roads are a little quiet. Don't have to fucking worry too much about that. Man, it's hard to fucking see, eh? Shit! This guy had no intentions on stopping in the pissing rain and you don't want to stop. Ah! Fuck! That guy's pretty friendly considering he has to stand in the fucking pissing rain directing people how to drive. He was cool to me. It's so fucking hard to see. I cannot see a damn thing. And I try and lift my visor and I just smacked in the fucking face with all these water particulars. Oh, now it's cold. It's going through my jacket. Oh, I'm gonna be wet and drive slow because this wind is fucking pushing me and this road is sopping wet. It's scary actually. No one told me it was gonna be like this. Woohoo! Oh, and a big puddle. Oh, big puddle. Feel your pain, buddy. Feel your pain. Okay, we're almost home. We're almost home. We're getting there. We're getting there. But fuck, this has not been pleasant. Oh my god, my foot is sopping. I can feel the puddle in my boot. Holy shit. Please, Mr. Car, don't drive in the middle. Sopping fucking wet. Now that I think about it, I don't have a case on my GoPro. Okay, we have a puddle in both boots now. Puddle. Oh, I gotta put my feet down. Oh man. So miserable. Like, I love riding my bike, but this is shit. Okay, we're home. All we gotta do is hope that everything is still dry and functional.